skilled MBA case study series in general management. CaratLane, established in 2008, revolutionized India's jewelry market by offering lightweight, affordable pieces targeting younger consumers. Now, under Titan's ownership, CaratLane must navigate strategic decisions to maintain its relevance and appeal to the evolving preferences of a new generation. CaratLane, founded in 2008 by Mithun Sacheti and Avnish Anand, aimed to democratize fine jewelry for younger consumers. The company experienced rapid online success, opened flagship stores in metropolitan areas, and engaged in celebrity collaborations. In 2023, Titan acquired Sacheti's stake, with Anand continuing to lead within Titan's structure. CaratLane faces declining gold consumption, impacting core product lines. Rising gold prices squeeze margins, challenging profitability. Staff retention is critical as competitors poach experienced talent. The market expansion dilemma persists, balancing urban focus with the potential in smaller cities. Addressing these challenges is crucial for sustainable growth. Design-led innovation is crucial to reinforcing our creative edge, ensuring our products remain distinctive. Mass market expansion offers volume growth but carries inherent risks. Striking a strategic balance is essential to optimize outcomes, blending creativity with market reach. This approach will help us navigate the complexities of talent management, ensuring both continuity and fresh perspectives in our workforce. Balancing talent management involves choosing between retaining experienced staff to preserve institutional knowledge and design consistency, albeit with higher compensation costs, or hiring younger digital natives who bring a cost-sensitive mindset and fresh design perspectives, though they require training investment. This decision impacts strategic direction and operational efficiency. Deepening Tier 1 presence involves enhancing flagship stores in metropolitan areas, focusing on an omnichannel experience to attract affluent urban customers. Expanding to smaller cities taps into underserved markets, adapting offerings to regional tastes while reducing store setup costs. An online-first approach for rural areas uses e-commerce for market testing, minimizing physical footprint, and leveraging digital marketing. Utilize the BCG matrix to rank product lines by market growth and share, optimizing resource allocation. Analyze channel profitability by comparing economics across store types and online platforms. Employ the talent value framework to map roles based on experience and revenue impact. Leverage the brand equity scorecard to track design awards, social buzz, and net promoter score. A design-first strategy emphasizes brand leadership, reinforcing premium positioning and supporting higher margins. It fosters customer loyalty by building lasting relationships. However, this approach may limit growth potential and expose CaratLane to mass-market competitors, challenging its ability to maintain a competitive edge. A mass-market strategy focuses on volume growth, reaching a broader customer base. This approach enhances store utilization, improving operational efficiency. It targets price-sensitive consumers, capturing the value-conscious segment. However, it risks brand dilution, potentially affecting premium perception. Balancing these factors is crucial for maintaining brand integrity while expanding market reach. Phased regional expansion focuses on strengthening presence in southern and western metros, enhancing market foothold. Pilot stores in Tier 2 cities test new locations, while a hub-and-spoke model develops regional distribution networks. This strategic approach aims for a pan-India presence, ensuring comprehensive nationwide coverage. Retaining the core design team ensures CaratLane's design DNA remains intact, preserving institutional knowledge and brand consistency. Agile digital pods, composed of junior hires, focus on digital marketing, data analytics, and online merchandising. A mentorship program pairs senior staff with new talent, facilitating knowledge transfer while welcoming fresh perspectives. CaratLane should strategically leverage Titan's extensive infrastructure to enhance operational efficiency. This involves integrating supply chain capabilities and distribution networks while maintaining CaratLane's entrepreneurial spirit. Safeguarding its unique brand identity is crucial, ensuring that the synergy with Titan amplifies growth without diluting CaratLane's core values and innovative approach. CaratLane must implement dynamic pricing to adapt to fluctuating gold costs, ensuring margins are preserved. Hedging strategies are crucial to manage financial risks associated with volatility. Maintaining customer value perception is essential, requiring transparent communication about pricing changes to retain trust and loyalty. Strategic focus is crucial. Choosing between design leadership or mass play prevents resource diffusion. Balancing experienced and fresh talent fosters innovation and operational efficiency. An omnichannel strategy maximizes reach without overextension. Data-driven decisions, guided by rigorous metrics, ensure effective resource allocation and risk management. Thank you for joining, and Skilled MBA offers in-depth business case studies and strategic analysis, essential for informed decision-making. Their resources are designed to enhance understanding of complex business environments, aiding professionals in navigating strategic challenges effectively. For further assistance, contact Skilled MBA via mobile at +91 87553 0795 or email at support@skilledmba.com.